Go to replit.com, then log in. If you don't have an account, then create an account, then log in. This is the home page of Replit. Then go to developer frameworks, then click on create icon, then choose your coding platform. I will select Python, give it a name. You can make it public or private. I will keep it as private, then create app. You will be greeted with this page. Let me change the theme to white. You will be greeted with this page. This is the chatbot on the left side, and this is the console on the right hand side. I want to change it. Click on this top right corner. Main.py is where you are going to enter your code. Click this. So this is where you are going to write your code, and this is where you are going to get the output of the code. I want to change how the UI looks. So I will bring main PY here and then minimize the chatbot. So now I have main PY here on the left hand side and the console on the right hand side. Let me write a code. You can click here to run the program, or the shortcut is Control and Enter. See, we are getting output as 3. As you can see, I will go to home again, and I have here learning Python again as my app. I will, so every time I open, I will be greeted with this page, and I will have my app here. I will click on my app and enter into the coding platform. Thank you.